Hello guys, this is Sungjun Wong back here again, and today I'm gonna show you my Lego padlock. And yeah, this is my first padlock I made on YouTube. Special thanks to those who watch my video, you know who you are, and those in school who knows that I own this account. And yeah, that's it. So as I said, this is my first padlock that I posted on YouTube. Okay, I know all my videos are Legos, and I'm gonna make more videos on my Halo stuff, the Mega Blocks, which is over there at the display shelf here, but the shirt is blocking, so who cares? And yeah, so this padlock now, it is actually locked, can be opened. Sorry guys, I've been having cough lately, so it's locked. You can't do anything, can't shake it or do anything. Sorry guys, my brother just interrupted. Man, I hate him. Okay, just kidding. So, where was I? Yeah, it's locked and nothing can be done except destroying the whole damn thing, which is very stupid to do. For if you have the key, it's very stupid to destroy the whole thing. So yeah. So as I said, right now it's locked. Let me just take out the key, and without the key, it's still locked. Now the key is simply just a 2-stud long axle with one of these stoppers thing here. There's a hole at the back here. Put it in, turn it here. Should be unlocked now, but there it is. So now it's unlocked, and this is the only moving piece out of this whole U-shaped thing. This is the only moving piece that you can use to put your stuff together, like the bag, the zip, whatever. So to lock it, just simply turn this. Something's wrong. So now this inside, you turn it there, turn it to your right. So obviously to open, you turn it to your left and right. Okay, so to open, turn to your left. To close, turn to your right. Hope you get it. And it's locked again. So I'm gonna show you the mechanism, and yeah. So I took off the pieces and I'm showing the inside. Just one more piece here, and there, like that. So this is the inside. This part can be removed as it's separate from this 4x6 faceplate. Put it back there and so. So basically what the key does is open and close this, and how it does this is that there's actually a connector piece here which connects it to a 1x3 axle piece together with this thing. I don't know what it's called. So it's like that. Hold on, just let me put that piece back. Poop poop poop. Dum dee dum. Seriously. So there it goes. So without the key here, it does nothing and it stays on there due to its weight, and it's locked. And it's locked. Just let me put on one more piece. so this piece holds them together, so it's locked. And there's an extra piece trapped in here, and this doesn't allow you to bring this U-shaped thing up, and the EXO there. So as I said, there's a connector piece there which can fit EXOs inside. So you take this EXO piece, put it in. So now focus on this piece here. It goes up and down there, up and down. And so when it goes up, this piece here can go up, leaving this gap here, and cannot be turned anymore. And this EXO can escape from this hole here. So yeah, and tutorial come out soon, but not now. I really appreciate you guys watching this vid, and goodbye YouTube. Have a great day.